Hello and welcome to Tom's Trains and Makerspace. Today we're actually going to do something about making something as opposed to fixing something. So I'm going to give you a little heads up, a little preview of a project we're going to be doing the next couple weeks. We're going to take the slab of wood in front of you. That's about 48 inches by 28 inches on the widest, and then 20 inches on the right on the smallest width, and make that into a coffee table, a live edge coffee table. It's a piece of wood that I bought from a local supplier, cut from a local white oak tree. One of the first things we need to do is make sure that the wood is dry, that it doesn't have any moisture in it. To do that, we're going to take a moisture meter. Of course, I bought the highest quality one I could find at Harbor Freight, so I'm being facetious. So this is a moisture meter, how it looks. There's two little prongs here. As an example, I'm going to put my hand on it, and you can see it says about 42%, 40% moisture. And so now I'm going to put it to this piece of wood that's been sitting in my basement for the last 6 weeks. Restart it, and you can see it's 0% moisture in it. So we're good to go. We need to be at least at 14 or lower in order to start sanding and doing the project. We're significantly lower than that at 0. So we can go ahead and get started. In the next couple days, I'll start showing you how to select the right sandpaper and start sanding the wood and leveling it and preparing it to make it into a table. And eventually at some point in the next couple weeks, we'll have a nice live edge table. One of the things you might be able to see is on the table it has the bark still on the edge. I like that look. What I'm probably going to do is do 2 tables, one with the bark on, one with the bark off. And we'll talk about that and see how it looks. And you can make your decision on how you want to do it when you get around to doing something like this. And as always, please send me comments. Tell me if you like the project, you like how it's going, you like the handy camera work. We'll work on improving that as we go forward, and much appreciate your spending time watching my YouTube channel. Take care. Bye-bye.